Hi friends, I am Chitra. I am a SEBI-registered research analyst. So today we are going to see the Nifty chart, that is the previous week chart, how it worked. So this is the TCL's dynamic support and resistance indicator. So many of them were asking me like how to use this indicator, like how to enter into the trade. So this is the combination of CPR and as well as the dynamic support and resistance indicator. So when you go to the settings, here we have an options like show major and minor levels, show history, everything is included, and we have an option to add the version CPR as well. Here we have an option like plot version CPR. So maximum count I have given is for 6 days. Okay, past 6 days version CPR we can plot. Okay, and also moving averages options are there. This is the moving averages, like 4 moving averages you can add in the particular chart, and as well as TF is called time frame, which time frame you want to add. So if you are looking into 5 minutes time frame chart, you can even add the 15 minutes to 20 moving average in the same chart. For that you need to check this show moving average box, and then you have to click on OK. So we can see here the moving averages are plotting. Okay, so that is an option that I'm showing here. Okay, and other option is that plot the Bollinger Band. If you want, you can add the Bollinger Band as well in your trading. So if you don't want, you can always uncheck it. Okay, and other one is that show the potential reversal zone time frame. This is the main reversal zones that you can use in your daily trading. So here we have an option like 1 hour, 2 hours. So for an intraday trader, we have to always go for 1 day. Even we can use for 1 week or even 1 month PRZ zones as well. Okay, and under the styles we have an option like support resistance 1, which is in yellow in color. Support resistance 2 is a diamond color. This is the main major resistance zone. Support and resistance 3 is the purple one. Okay, and here we have given the moving averages. If you are using the moving averages, you can always come to style and you can give the options. This is for Bollinger Band basis, upper and the lower. Okay, now next we can click on OK. Okay, now I will show you how what are the trading opportunities that we got on particular day, that is 23rd June. Here we can see the first candle itself opened at our purple level, that is the dynamic support level. Okay, and what is this candle called? This candle is the pin bar candle, or you can call it as a dragonfly doji candle, which is a bullish sign. Okay, so above this candle you can look for long trade opportunities, and again price took support at Camarla. This is Camarla S3, Camarla S3 and Camarla R3, that is called CS3 and CR3. PDH we have given, and PDL also we have given. These are the main support and the resistance zone, and these 3 lines are the CPR levels. Okay, and I have given other options that is called weekly pivot. WPP is called weekly pivot, and I have given monthly pivot as well. I will show you where the MPP is the monthly pivot. Okay, so these are the major reversal sorts, and we can understand the trend also. So here we can go for long trade opportunities above the Camarla S3 and previous day low, and also this candlestick pattern also gave the confirmation for our long trade. And again at this yellow diamond level also we got the long trade opportunities. So once we enter into the trade, what will be the next resistance? Resistance will be the CPR and as well as the Camarla R3. Perfect, at that level we got the rejection, and as well as from this yellow level we got the rejection. So here we can go for the short trade opportunities. Okay, again price took resistance at the Camarla R3 and at our resistance level. So below this short trade opportunities, and again this red candle gave a close below the PDL and Camarla S3 and below the our resistance and the support level. So it is a short trading opportunities below that particular level. So what happened the next day in the Nifty? So here I have selected 5 minutes. You can use even 3 minutes for intraday. Okay. All right. So the 24th June, we can see here price opened above the previous day low, that is above the PDL and above the monthly pivot. So the view is bullish, but once the price the first green candle itself took resistance at the CPR. This is a top central pivot and the bottom central pivot, and this is the pivot level, and Camarilla R3 is inside the CPR. So once the price touches the PRZ level, here we can see this is a PRZ zone. Once the price touches that particular level and at the CPR level, we got the rejection. That is first this 930 candle itself we got the rejection, so we can look for short trade opportunities below that. Okay, even though the trend is bullish, we got a small rejection at that particular level, so we can look for short trading opportunities below this PRZ zone and below the CPR and our resistance level. This is the this is not moving average, this is the dynamic support and the resistance level. So below this we got the short trading opportunities. Okay, again what is other traders, we got this green candle, and again this 10-5 candle also gave a close above this diamond level, and above this we can look for long trade opportunities. So price was continuously trading above that, even though there is a CPR and we got the CPR breakout above that level. Above all this dynamic support, price was trading above all these dynamic support resistance levels. So overall trend is looking bullish. Okay, and at this particular level, weekly pivot, once the price touches 24,006 and weekly pivot, okay, we got a small rejection from that level. Again price closed above the weekly pivot, this green candle, and price moved up from that particular level. So we got one short trading opportunities and long trading opportunities using our indicator on 24th June. So on 24th June, we can see that after price gave a close above the weekly pivot zone, we got a price moved till 24,075, and after that we got the two inverted hammer at that particular level, and we got a small doji candle. Why we got the reversal from this particular level? If you look into the previous day, we can understand that. Why? Because this is the major level where we got the major selling pressure at this particular level, that is on 24,075. Same level, once the price touches on 24th June, again we got the selling pressure at that particular level, and you can look into the candlestick patterns also, so that will be more helpful in our trading. Okay. So the next day, that is on 25th June, I have added one more indicator, that is the pivot point. Here I have selected the time frame as weekly, S3 and R3 I have selected. Okay, so in my class also I have thought about Camarilla, R3 and S3, how can we use as a multi pivot zones, and in my previous YouTube videos also I have mentioned about this. Okay, so 25th June, we can see that Nifty opened gap up. Price was trading above the CR3. CR3 is what? Camarilla R3, and above the PDH level. Again, this red level is the Camarilla weekly R3 zone. So price gave a close above all these three levels. So the trend is looking bullish. Okay, so we can look for long trade opportunities above that, and price took resistance at the PRZ zone. This is a PRZ zone, that is 24,229. So this level I have mentioned in my Telegram channel also. This will be the Nifty's next resistance, and Nifty can touch this particular 24,229 on this 25th June. Okay, and once the price touches that particular level, immediately we got the rejection from this particular level. Okay, and again price gave a close below this particular level, and we can see the we got a nice downfall from that particular PRZ zone and from our dynamic support and the resistance level. So here this red candle gave a close below this diamond level. This is the resistance level. So again at 210 we got this red candle closing below this level, and again price was trading below that PDH. Price gave a close below the PDH, and we got a nice short trade opportunities. So those who want access for this TCLC dynamic support and resistance, you can ping me in WhatsApp or through Telegram. I will give the Telegram link and WhatsApp number in the description box below. So this is my Telegram channel, Trader Chitra. So those who are trading, index, that is Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, they can join my Telegram channel. This is my free Telegram channel. Here I used to share the, live levels and my live views in this Telegram channel. That is support, resistance, all the levels I'll be sharing here. I used to give calls also on this particular channel. So those who are interested can join this Telegram channel. I'll give the link in the description box below. Okay. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.